Hello, good morning, and you're welcome in the lecture 2 of our HTML. You're welcome to lecture 2 of our HTML. Now, and today we are going to be learning how to open our app and how to open our code page, how to open our apps and how to open our code page, how to launch it. And we have already downloaded it on our devices. A laptop, your phone. When I say the VS Code, the Visual Studio Code, your laptop, Entrebedit or Coda for your phones, whichever one is applicable. Now let's learn how to open our pages. Let's learn how to open our pages, how to open our apps, and how to start our work. Because it's going to be based on coding. Let's learn how to open our apps and how to be able in order to start our work. At least I am using my laptop. I'm using my laptop. If you're using your phone, you go to the app and open it also. And show me. This is my own Visual Studio Code. Is here. This is my own Visual Studio Code. And we can see it here. VS Code. You click on it. You click on it. It will open. Yes. It's opening. It's opening. Yes. It's opening. This is what you will see. But this is my own. This is the ones I've done before. This is the one I've done before, but for you as a starter, you go to welcome. As you can see, welcome. Click on it. You go to welcome, click on it. You can see new file. You can see open file, open folder. Because you are new on it, you go to new file and click on it. Go to new file and click on it. If you have a folder that you have, if you have started the work before and you want to continue, go to open file. It will go to where you save the file on your desktop and bring it out, and you can continue with your work. But in this case, you have a new file. You are going to open a new file. Click on the new file. This is brought out. You have to give the file a name.html. You have to give it a name.html. So let's use it this way. My website has to be together. My website dot html. My website dot html. Click on enter. It will bring out this. Before you do that, you have to go and create a folder on your desktop. You have to go and create a folder for your desktop. You create a folder on your desktop. Let me go to my desktop. This is my desktop. Create a folder. By creating a folder, how do you do that? Go to the empty space. You right click. Just let me remove this. You right click. You right click and you go to where you have new. Right click, go to where you have new. New what? New folder. Where is it? New folder. Rename it. Rename it. Rename the folder my what? HTML work. My HTML work. Then it will be created. My HTML work. Then you go back to your work, go back to your coding page, try and locate it here. Try and locate it on your desktop. Let me go back to my desktop and locate my HTML, work. That's what I used to create it. Then my HTML work, click on it, and my HTML work, and you put in the name which you use to open the file on your coding page. My website dot html. So click on create file. As you can see, my website dot html. Sorry, my website dot html. That dot html must be there. And create file. Create file. Click on create file. It will be created already, and this is what you will see. This is what you will see. That is what you will see. So, in starting your code page, there are what we call tags. The HTML tag, HTML tags, HTML elements, HTML tags, HTML attributes. So the first thing you will need to do, because you'll be learning about the tags later on, the first thing you need to do to start your page, is just type in HTML. It has brought it out. HTML, it has brought it out. Click on enter. HTML, it has brought it out. Click on enter. And the next one is your title. A title element. A title element. Also, click on enter. You put in your title. Put in your title there. That title is what will appear on your website as the name of the website, as the title anytime you open that website. As in my first, I put in my first website. My first website. And you anytime you do a work, you save it control S. You save your work, that's as control S. And whatever you do, you can open your web browser. You open your web browser as it is. Mine is opening. You open your web browser. And before you do that, when you save, you when you go to this place, right click, go to copy path, and go to your web browser. It will copy the link of the page you have created. Go to your web browser, okay, paste that link there. Paste that link there, Ctrl V, paste the link there, and enter. It will bring out your web page. As you can see, my first website is what is there. What you have put in the title. My first website, that's what you have put in the title. At least you have learned how to open your coding page and link it up to your web browser now, as in opening it on your browser. That's the first lecture you need to do. Please practice your own and send it to me. Practice your own and send it to me on my WhatsApp group 081 3855 6985. God bless you.